Collins, and this week's House Assembly comes to you from Central Hall. This Wednesday, we have our Day of Remembrance, where we think about those who've given their lives for us in service.
This week, as you move around Central Hall in between classes, gents, take a moment just to stop and to look at the faces of the men behind the glass and remember the sacrifice that they made so that we could all be here today.
Here at Campbell, we're so fortunate to have such a close-knit community. And thank you for taking part in our challenge last week.
We really enjoyed seeing your entries last week into our house pumpkin carving competition. And shortlisting is taking place. We've already picked our top 10 and now your head of house will vote for the winner.
We hope you enjoy having a look at the montage. There was over 150 entries submitted. We were absolutely delighted and we're so happy to show them to you now. Our top 10 and I'm really excited to see what our top 3 will be.
Our next event that we have coming up, and we finally have dates in the calendar for, is House Cross Country. So listen out for the daily bulletin, check messages from your housemaster on Firefly, and we can't wait to bring our first big house event to you this year.
We're also really excited to share with you over the next week or two a community event which we will have a way that everybody can get involved in serving the people around us that we can be so inspired with now as well.
Just a final reminder, gents, as the week approaches, do enjoy the events that take place on Wednesday, on Remembrance Day, but also as you move around Central Hall, take a moment just to look at the faces of the men behind the glass. And let's remember those in our community who are currently in service as well.
Take care and have a good week. Bye.